Welcome to the Advanced Automatic Production Workshop of Longhua TOPMAG. The advanced automatic equipment efficiently operates in the whole production process. The workshop has 20 sets of injection molding machines and 60 sets of compression molding machines. Our annual magnet production capacity is up to 1,500 tons, which can meet batches production of different customers. For application areas, our products are widely used in high-tech such as robotics, drones and automobiles, etc. We can make high-precise tolerance radially magnetization ring, which makes us leading in the industry, which widely applied in automotive thermal managements and robot joints. In addition to standard production, we also provide professional component assembly lines, including pump impeller injection and rotor assembly. Production accuracy and efficiency are further improved. Furthermore, we have the capability of independent R&D and 3D simulation. We can offer the service of customized solutions according to customers' requirement. Welcome to contact us.